What's going on, everybody? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we're going to be changing out windshield wipers, and we are going to be doing it the right way based on viewer feedback. So hit that like and subscribe button. First thing you want to do is get your user manual and look through it to get the actual size for the windshield wiper. And the reason why you want to do this is because that if the windshield wiper is too small, it's not actually going to be covering the area that you need it to cover. Second thing you're probably going to want to do is take an old towel, fold it up, put it right under the spot where you're going to be changing this windshield wiper. And I'll tell you why in just a second, but watch how we change this windshield wiper. You see this little notch right here? So for a Honda 2014 model, I'm just going to take this little notch, push it down, and I'm going to pull the windshield wiper down and then switch it out for a new one. So while I'm actually switching it out for a new one, let's say if I accidentally hit this little metal bar and it smacks my windshield, there is a possibility that could actually break your windshield. So make sure you have a little cushion here somewhere. Once you get that done, get your new windshield, line it up, push it straight up until it snaps in. If you have any comments or questions, post them down below.